Hi guys, what's up? Hope you are all in a good mood, and today we are playing Cooking Fever. Okay, Paradise Island. Okay, okay. Let's just okay. No, why we are in the? Oh my God, I don't know what's happening. Why I'm in level 1? Why? Oh my God, what's happening? Oh my God, yes, yes, I understand. But why? Oh my God, why? Why am I in level 1? Oh my God, I'm disappointed. What's happening on? Oh my God, oh my God, I was in level 19. Why? Why that's happening to me? Just why? Oh my God, I don't know. What's wrong with this game? Okay guys, I will see what's happening and just see you in the next video. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I think I don't know, literally I don't know. Okay guys, just I will replay all what. Oh my God, I'm disappointed. What's that? Oh my God, I think I deleted the data by mistake. Oh my God, I hate that, really. Okay guys, I think I will. Oh my God, from 0? That's not fair at all. Okay guys, see you in the next video, and that's it. Bye bye.